Hi, welcome to this tutorial video on how to add questions and notes to your Edpuzzle. So after you're done cutting your video or adding voiceover, or maybe you didn't need to do those things, probably the most popular option is adding questions to the video. And these are where your video will play, and then when you reach a mark in the video, a question will pop up and it will stop the video. The three options you have for questions are multiple choice, open-ended, and a note. With the note, you can do an audio comment or a text comment. Maybe it's an explanation for students about something you want them to pay attention to, maybe some side commentary that you'd like to add in. So we'll show you how to do that here. So you see we've got our video. There's my voice over there that we just added in. Let's say we're going to play. To be -5, we know that's what product means. And those same two numbers have to add, which is what we know by sum, to 4. So let's say when I get to a point in the video, I just hit pause. I want to add a multiple choice question. It's going to add it at this point, 34 seconds in the video. Here's a spot for you to type question. Maybe we say, what does product mean? Because we just talked about it in the video. Add, or we'll say multiply. You'll notice here on the side, this one's got the green check mark for the correct answer. Well, product definitely does not mean add, so I want to switch that to wrong. It does mean multiply, so I want to switch that to green. You can also add feedback here if you'd like. If you click this, you can type, maybe just try again, or if you want to have more specific feedback. There are also operators here for superscript and subscript. You can add active links. You can add photos. You can do equations. There's a little equation editor, so that's super nice for math. If I need more than 2 choices, I've got this button here to add another choice, and maybe we call that subtraction. When I'm done, I hit save. And then you'll notice I've got that little marker then in my video. So that's what we're trying to factor quadratic. I can hit play. Right, so there's my voice. I'm trying and keep moving on. Again, if I hit pause now 5 seconds later, just for the sake of it, I can add an open-ended question where I can type here, and then the students will have an open response box for you to be able to type. Now, those are not self-graded like multiple choice would be. On the student end, it's going to say, and you saw those in our example, in the reading assignment, will be graded by your teacher. So you can check those there. Additionally, then, trying to explain, maybe we move through the video a little more. What we see there. And I want to add a note. And so then a note is I can just type text. This is not necessarily a question. Or I can add the microphone here and I can give voice directions. I can also combine them. So maybe I want to put a formula. If I'm in math, I can use the function button here and I can put a formula here or some sort of equation work. And then I can talk about that with the microphone button above. So you can insert periodic. You don't have to necessarily voice over like we used here, but you can have the video stop and add your own commentary. So this is really, really nice for flipped classrooms, distance learning settings, where you can be part of the interactive video as an instructor, as a teacher, and again, save those. So in terms of questions or options for the question menu, we do have notes, multiple choice questions, or open-ended questions.